What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Welcome, what a go on my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, this morning, me just run down in the kitchen, yeah? Say, me go clean it up and me say, let me just talk to you in the meantime. Uno good, uno alright. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And I want to say, big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. And again, guys, me still send my condolence to a very, very strong and good subscribers of mine. Take care of yourself, and you don't know, when we lose a loved one, we always have to sit down and take that in and just remember that that person loves us and is now in a safe place, resting. Guys, losing my dad wasn't easy. So me understand and me know when you lose a loved one, worse, a close one like your mother. My mother's still alive, but my father passed away. Guys, I go say this to each and every one of you. My mother sent up some things for me. So check this out, guys. Yeah, man, my mother sent up some things. Me have my Cersei, yeah, my Cersei over here, so. Me have my soursop leaf, yeah, soursop leaf, and me have my fever grass, and guys, beef time. Yeah, man, my mother, man, me I tell you, food that got nice. So my mother sent up a lot of stuff for me. And in the fridge, me have roast breadfruit in the fridge, and me have ackee in the fridge. So me go get some saltfish today. And yeah, man, me and you, we go cook some ackee and saltfish and fry breadfruit. So this is how my mother sent up, and me I tell you guys, nice. I boil some Cersei, fever grass, and what you call it there, and the soursop leaf tea, cool it off and put it in the fridge. So that instead of drinking water or drinking juice, I me not sweeten it. So that me I drink anytime I want something to drink while me there in the house. So me boil a big pot, you know. So guys, welcome again to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay out there? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And guys, if you are feeling the pain, just remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor check pound, make sure you alright. Guys, wellness check. You do it yet? Please, me I beg you, do the wellness check. Check pound of friends and family. Make sure everybody is in good health and good strength. And guys, you don't know, mental health crisis is not a joke. Please stop playing with it. Don't play with it. Never play with mental health issues. So may I say, guys, domestic violence, woo, it's on a rise. It's dangerous, serious. Walk away from trouble if you can. If you cannot walk away, sit down, talk about it, or just walk away, because one of the best things to do is walk away from things. Yeah, man. And guys, them have some guys out there who take advantage of our young prime ministers and presidents and chiefs and all kind of things. Help us to weed them out. Help us to point them out so people know that they're there and know to watch them. Guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you, and you don't know, the weekend will come. Have a nice day. And if you drink, don't drive. And if you drive, don't drink. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you know, what we really want to talk about today, while me clean up the kitchen, I want to talk about Town. Yeah, I want to talk a little bit about Town. And if you don't notice, me not too make a whole heap of video. I can make a whole heap of video. But me take me time. Now, I saw something from the other day, me see it. And I sit down. I mean, I said nothing much about it, but me take my time and put it in my brains and say to myself, say, whoa, what a piece of people. Now, Junkertown people is non-progressive and very dangerous, lie and wicked. Now, what I'm going to say to you guys is very important, so I want to know if you hang tight and just listen to what I'm saying. Watch this video to the end. Guys, there is a thing that called bias. Bias. And it is flourishing over Junkertown. Junkertown is some of the most biased people on the planet are on YouTube. And I go explain why I say that. You see Alicia Kim, yeah? So Alicia Kim did that Jamaica all by herself. I do her thing, I do her work, I drive her piece of car. I live in her nice house where she built up on her mother place. All by herself. I live a wonderful life. I work with the government. Not trouble nobody. If she a look man a fear business that. Yeah? That's her business. Only to know that she was approached. She was approached by a man named Mackie from the United States. As a matter of fact, from the same Papine where Alicia Kim come from. However, that man living in the United States of America. That man name is Mackie. Mackie, as Mackie say, he saw, what him call it? What him call it? I can't remember the name what him call it. But him call Alicia Kim body has a name. Yeah? Real estate. Yeah, him say, wow, with that real estate. So what Mackie see was a fantastic, realistic, nice, as him say, yes, this is the right fit for me. So Mackie, bam rush, bam love bam, whatever name you want to use, Alicia Kim, start to feed Alicia Kim with lies and money and all kind of things. The same money that he sell the house with Betty. All right. So while doing those things, Alicia Kim's, okay, young lady, this older gentleman like me, okay. So Alicia Kim give in to him. Junkertown not talking about that, you know. Alicia Kim give in to him. Alicia Kim never beg him anything. Now, guys, let me say this. All of this happened. Alicia Kim come to America, married, forced married, because him never asked her about married. Him just, poof, surprise. Okay. Now, Alicia Kim is married to this man. This man tell Alicia Kim, well, me nah come back to Jamaica, come live, so my wife have to come with me. No problem with that. Guys, Alicia Kim come America, come live with things not go good. Divorce 2 times and all that. Alicia Kim make a video. Listen to what me I say now. And then no realize what me I say. Alicia Kim make a video say, get divorced and all that. Ram come out, make video, say how much Mackie wicked, Mackie a green lizard, Mackie a this, Mackie a that. What's your name? Jackie. Come out and make video. Say, where is our mother? She need help. Where is our mother? Somebody need to help her. This man is not a good man for her. You see what I say? At that, all of them come out and say, and do. At that point, there was no Vibe Studio. There was no Vibes with Rosa. And there was no... What that one the name? Upper Canada, the multicolor one. There was none of them. Okay? Because those people was beating Mackie. They were beating Mackie. Boom! Rumram was sending AK words in her DM and on her TikTok. Alicia Kim say, I'm pregnant. All hell break loose. All hell break loose. Them drag Alicia Kim right through the mud. 1 year, almost 2 years. I think a 2 year, them a drag Alicia Kim. All of them. Mackie, Rosa, Vibes, Jackie. For some reason, I can't remember that 2 color one. Then drag her right through the mud. Yeah? Okay, then call all kind of name. Then call her all kind of name. Then our mother, our brothers, even our brother. I don't know if our brother have any kind of nothing. According to them, something wrong with him. That are them. Me no know. Me no ask and me no know. So them style up the people. Them call them all kind of name. No. Them pulling Kitta in the whole saga. Kitta come out and do all kind of things. They pan video, they pan live, a chat and a go on with herself. She dey pan live, a go on with herself and a do this and a do that, and then you have the little two-tongue one. A blush. Oh, yes. You see what I say? All right. So, all of that happened. Yeah? All of that happened. Then Nari come out, because Nari is not a social media person. Then Nari come out and start show. Can. Nari start fling left, right, and center. Nari put out things out there where, to be honest with you, woo! I didn't even want to talk about them. Nari put out a whole bunch of something out there about Kitta. Nari at one time said, you need to leave this thing alone, because if me really put out there, you go in a trouble. Guys, it look as if it take Kitta a while to realize. But all of a sudden, me I cut it from where me I go. All of a sudden, Kitta decided to come off of YouTube, yeah? This Kitta decided to come off of YouTube. Kitta make a video. Kitta make a video. Guys, if you don't reach this far in the video, you don't like the video yet, share the video, comment on the video, watch the ads them, watch them guys. Support the channel. Yeah, man. Me I do some work, clean the kitchen, because me I do whole heap of something later on. Guys, me have live later on. Yeah, man. Live later on. Yeah, 7 o'clock. We go have a little talk about Town, and we have a topic where we go talk about is, should Jamaica release the name of child sex offenders? Should Jamaica release the names of those people who are child sex offenders? As a matter of fact, I may change the name to just sex offenders. Yes. Yes, I think I go change the name to, yeah. Anyway, guys, so Kitta decide to come off of YouTube. And Kitta make a video. Listen me good enough. Listen to what I'm saying here good. Kitta decided to make a video. And the video that Kitta make rattle the feathers of Town. Guys, the video that Kitta make, Kitta is Krista, yeah? Nari's ex-wife. the video that she make was so disturbing to them who they are friends according to what they're saying. It rattled their feathers so wickedly that it didn't take them a second to think of, I wonder if Kitta is just dragging the internet, or I wonder if Kitta is setting up the internet, or I wonder if Kitta is just saying something to give people something to talk, or I have Kitta number. Let's call Kitta and says, yo, Kitta, what going? You see you make a video. What kind of video that? Or, Kitta, you make a video, man. When you say people must stop going on married people business, are we you attack? You know, something like that. Nobody think about doing that. None of Junkertown people think of contacting each other and ask question. What kind of video is that? I wonder if she attack we. No, them never do that. Immediately, them jump to the conclusion of Nari and Kitta gone back together. Now, let me say this. That to show you where no loyalty is. No loyalty, no standard, no, let me contact my friend. I wonder if, no, they didn't think about that. Immediately, Vibes with Rosa make a video. Because guess what? That's content. Money, likes and views don't even care that this same person that you're making this video about is the same person who was helping you all fight against Alicia Kim and Nari. That's just to show you who these people really is. They don't cater. Money, likes, views is the order of the day. Now, Vibes with Rosa make fear video, wicked, chop up, Kitta. Then you have Jackie make fear video too. But out of all of them, this is the one that I leave for this part of it. Guys, Vibes Studio make a video. According to them, it was a perfect video. According to them, it was a perfect video. Guys, I go play what Vibes Studio is saying and what Mixed Breed is. I go play what they are saying. And after I play what they are saying, then I'm going to come back and have dialogues. So guys, get ready and listen to what Vibes Studio, Mixed Breed have to say. Listen good what they must say while me clean off the counter over. Yes, sir.
studio. Big up yourself. Good night. Good night.
Thanks, man. Bless it. I already clear off so much of the things, but more come back and add something. First thing I want to apologize to Kitta for the tiger when we put out, because myself think about the tiger and the way how my tiger it to get people attention, and I realize that I exploit my friend. You understand? A person where me.
Vibes, are you crying, Vibes?
I'm not crying, I'm bed, man. But me feel away still. I feel away if you know say but me talk to her and she say at this point just make it stay because it already gone. But I still want to apologize for say me type with the video like that they just to get people attention, and
even though your video
wasn't
damaging at all. But
no, the video was perfect, but the title was kind of and the thumbnail when kind of send out a little wrong information. So for
because
the people
guess
who
what,
don't
Vibes?
watch the video,
you have people who don't even stop to watch a video, but them see the thumbnail, so them say, "Watch out! Look where Vibes put up," and then that's it. That's how romance begin.
Yes, that is so true. Some of them may watch it, some of them just see the title and say, "Okay, this is it." Yeah,
exactly. And if I could say a word for Kitta R2, is that day one Kitta was not a YouTuber. And we drag her out here, and we clear her name, and we supposed to protect her. And one of the wickedest things we know say that because me come under this heavy pressure of text message and phone call that Vibes, see what Kitta just, the live, and me never watch the live complete, so me never know what Kitta saying on the live. So me only make my video based on what people say.
Yes.
You understand? And me try to explain that, look, I don't have any information. Me don't know exactly what they want. Me don't know if Kitta back together. I don't know nothing.
Am I in the show?
Yes, essay. A lot of you up at
I'm glad me catch Vibes. Vibes, me you need for talk,
Did that for no say we as the people who was supposed to protect her are the first thing that we think that she get back together with him, and because of the EPA phone call them and the message them or they flood my phone, that is the reason why I make the video.
Hold on there. Who is this Fiani Barnaby? Who the hell? Wait, hey,
no, Mrs. Breed, I'm still.
No, we not do that over here, so. No, hell no. No. You never come over. I wonder if she know it. That's something I know over there. Vibes, shut up. What is this? How did you get here?
Yeah, me see it long time, man. But
which turn you take, Mama? Come down.
Pay attention to it.
No.
Fiani Barnaby, I've never seen this person.
No, where them come from. I never remember come from, but I've drunk it on for make we give Kitta the chance for heal, because she come out and she just try to let go YouTube with a funny note and enjoy herself with her last video.
Yeah.
And just play with the public, and the whole we take it and just run with it. Well, me never really get the full thing. You understand?
Right. That's what that was a gross distrust of our misinterpretation of what she tried to do, and we get it. Because as we see it, we get it. I said, no, man, this is a miscarriage of understanding.
Because, when we go back, Mr. Breed,
that from this.
Mr. Breed, when we go back and watch Kitta video, me want to retype my video because everything what me saying on my video is exactly what me supposed to say. But my type was misled. Like my typer not good.
Misleading.
Yeah, and my thumbnail too. Is I don't know why AI do that to me, but it was, AI.
Yeah, go blame AI. Remember, say you tell AI what you say, You say AI, make one thumbnail look like say Kitta got back to that.
Me have a conversation with AI.
Mr. all the ones, like the ones without hair on the side of them head, we are gonna say what them want to say because they were looking to see a little that what the word remember the diversion and a little what's the word? A little squall.
There's a little squabble.
In Jamaican Town. Guess what I'm gonna try to know? To repeat
they're gonna
further apart.
They're gonna try to
we can promise them one thing. We can promise them one thing. That them can do every video what they want to do. Kitta will never see it. I can promise them. We can promise them that.
We not look.
Yeah, me not gonna look. I'm 100% sure that
no
Kitta
matter what them
never.
say, your body don't collapse. You're alive and you look like you're rotten. Like you're car.
Me can't finish. So
We just want to say one thing. We just want to say one more thing. Essay.
No
I just want
problem.
to make Kitta know. Say, I love her. I'm sorry about the thumbnail and the title when we put out. But if just let me know, just reach out and tell me anything to make this better. And we will make it happen. You understand? If I delete the video, I go delete it. If I get rid of anything, just make me know.
Vibes.
You understand? Because we love you naturally.
Vibes. Guess what? She should not have to tell you what to do.
Just
you know what within yourself, what you have to do.
Don't say another word. Don't say another word.
Just do what you have to do, Vibes. And Vibes?
Hold on. Me soon come back. Vibes, not worry. Me soon come back.
All right. Don't say another word, Mrs. Breed. You say what exactly why me I wait for a long time.
Yeah, you know what to do.
Yes.
That's why I'm sending the message today.
Yeah. And Vibe Studio, we appreciate that you can understand. So there was a mistake made on your side, right? I mean, there was a person mistake. But probably
the Vibes video was so good.
Yeah, because Vibes, what you said was that, but little misleading could have gone. But what we have to say, Vibes, we like how you genuinely come out there, you feel a way about it.
The content was good, so change the
content was good. So we just want to say,
no, man, we just get rid of the whole video, man. We're not gonna lose.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, Kitta want a break from this thing, and you don't care how much views we get from it.
Yeah.
Just get rid of it. You understand?
Yes.
She don't deserve this, sir. She don't deserve this, sir. None at all.
Exactly.
Some things are beyond getting the money and the views.
Yeah. And I have to worry about me, Mrs. Breed. If my video gone a long time, the moment you say Vibes, you know what to do. He delete already. Go check, go look feet right now. He gone,
the video was so good because what you said in there, you was just giving her grace. You give her grace too. But the thumbnail might be
the thumbnail and the
thumbnail to make her decision. And that she choose.
Enough time, enough for we a man, Menke.
Are further.
Yes.
I said from beginning, what I started off with AK and Narino because I could have seen it. AK and Boom. I said, what if AK and Boom for go back together? All I would have go quiet. That was my stance from beginning. And I'll say this boldly. It was bad what Nari did to Kitta. It was bad. And I now say this to say man not do me bad. Man do me bad. But it wasn't on display.
Yes. Here we go.
Yes. Me go back because it never depend. Display my friends and probably certain family knew, and so I could put me tail between my foot and go back. This was done publicly, so and the things that were said, I never take kindly to it. Though I wouldn't have gone back if that's the case in my situation. But the heart wants what the heart wants. Sometimes when people are telling you to let go, you cannot let go at the same time.
Can I say something?
Yes, say it, Vibes.
Yes.
All right, give me 1 second and I'll say a quick thing because me share a small conversation with Kitta today and I don't know if me allow to say this about me, I go say it because more
Vibes.
Hold on, it's not nothing bad, but
condense it so you know you have to make sure that all parties are protected. Right?
Yeah, no,
DJ Vibes, DJ.
Definitely. But what I want to say is that
DJ.
She's very, very disappointed in especially my thumbnail and my tiger. And it ripped me up. Mixed breed. Me send you a message today, and it ripped. you know, if you don't say me do something like that, me put out a title like that there, if you get people attention, it hurt me. If you know say me do it. Even though she tell me it's okay, just let it be. Mother asks all content creator from Town, let us give Kitta the chance to heal and get over with this thing because it is much deeper than we think, you know. And she will never get back together with that fellow. And there is nothing going on.
Vibes repeat this again.
She will never get back together with that guy. And there
people
is
listen to that part. And that come from our mouth. All right, continue.
That is what makes you really disappointed that Fino say we as the people who were supposed to protect her are the first thing that we think that she get back together with him. And because of the EPA phone call them and the message them or they flood my phone, that is the reason why I make the video.
Hold on there. Who is this Fiani Barnaby? Who the hell? Wait, hey,
no, Mrs. Breed, MC.
No, we not do that over here, so. No, hell no. No. You never come over. I wonder if she know it. That's something I know over there. Vibe, shut up. What is this? How did you get here?
Yeah, me see it long time, man. But
which turn you take, Mama? Come down.
Pay attention to it.
No.
Fiani Barnaby, I've never seen this person.
No, where them come from. I never remember come from, you know, but you know,
see what she about.
Me ask Town for make we give Kitta the chance to heal, you know, because you know she come out and she just try to let go YouTube with a funny note and enjoy herself with her last video.
Yeah.
And just play with the public and the whole we take it and just run with it. Well, me never really get the full thing. You understand?
Right. That's what that was a gross distrust of our misinterpretation of what she tried to do.
Did you hear for yourself what Vibe Studio said? First thing first, let we have this dialogue, yeah? Vibe Studio said, Kitta is not a YouTuber. It's them who bring her on YouTube. Listen to me good enough. He said it out of his own mouth. It's them who bring her on YouTube. Jackie said, Kitta never did have to come on YouTube. Jackie said that. Jackie said Kitta never did have to come on YouTube. According to them, Kitta come on YouTube to clear her name. But Vibe Studio say, them drag her, them bring her on YouTube. You hear him say it out of his own mouth. I know me say it. I him say it. Also, I him say, them should have protect her. Because them drag her upon YouTube. You only listen to everything what him say. Him say, him never watch the video, him no see it. People call him and a bombard him with all kind of things. Now, let me say this to you, idiot, stupid, fool. If you have a friend that you claim say you love so much, and somebody call you and tell you, say the friend this, that, you go jump and make a video with a thumbnail on it where I downgrade your friend and you have your friend phone number. Hold on. You have a Kitta number. Yeah, Kitta, your friend. You can't call Kitta call you. So you have Kitta number. And other people are bombard your phone. Calling you, telling you, Vibes, you know see what Kitta do? You know see Kitta video? And your first initial is to jump on your live or jump on and make a video. That's your first expression when you have Kitta number. You know, watch the video. You don't watch the video. But people call you and tell you what she said. But you say you have her number. And you say Kitta call you and was upset about the thumbnail. But my thing is, you have our number. So when people call you and tell you, say, about the video where Kitta make, you never see it. As you say, you never see the video. So why you go run make a video about your friend, calling it to mixed breed? The video was very good. The video was very good, but the thumbnail was not good. So in other words, is you say, you put a bad thumbnail out there to get people to come at your video. So now you see what me I talk about. All you is about is money. Views, money, views, likes, and money. Because if Kitta was your real friend, like what you say she is, you would never put that video out there. You would never make a video. As a matter of fact, you would never take what them people tell you. You would contact your friend and ask her what and why she made that video. Where you hear about, because you never see it. Because if you say Kitta are your friend and you love her so much, why would you make a video like that? Why would you make a video like that to put out there so quick? Because all in a you is money, money and more money, likes and more likes, views and more views. Because likes and views, I make the money. But you have our number. You have Kitta number. And apparently Kitta must have your number. So why Kitta never call you before she make the video? And say Vibes, I finish with YouTube, I go not make no more videos and all those kind of things. And why she never call you? If she have your number. Because she didn't want you. If she have your number, because me no know, me no did it, me not sure. If she have your number and never call you, that to show you that she is finished with all of you. Just as how she make the video and say, you must leave married people business alone because of that trigger you. When she used that sentence, it trigger all of uno all of uno body because uno know. Hold on, uno realize we never make no video. Nobody over Big Up Crew, me, Talk Up, Michelle, Juliet, none of we no make no video. But uno make the video. A cause uno own drunkra. Uno a cause uno own drunkra. That's just to show uno say uno no have no loyalty over there. Uno no have no loyalty over there. And the one essay where come like she no have no shame, I fear her belly bottom drop out. Come and talk about how she no want drunk a town, she no want this cast, no problem. She no want this, the same person where you cuss off. Come back like a lap in tail and 9 foot. Like a wounded dog. Come back. Oh, sorry. I've made excuse. We shouldn't say that word there. I've made excuse. My viewers and subscribers, I shouldn't say like a wounded dog. Yeah, I shouldn't say that. I've made excuse. I shouldn't say that. A certain thing me no like say towards woman. Me shouldn't say that. I've made excuse. Yeah, I've made excuse. But she come back because the same person cuss her off But guys, again, Vibes himself say, them shouldn't do that because of them bring her upon YouTube. Now, let me say this, you see, and I go say this to each and every one of you. If you have a friend and the friend says something and decide to move, do something different, is that how you deal with your friend? Cuss off your friend? Make video, whether if you attack good or bad, but you make a video and put a bad thumbnail, so that means people are going to run come watch. Because that's what you do. Lie. Lie, lie, lie. Me the one mixed breed. I talk about the man one. Not the woman one, the man one. The lady never said nothing. As a matter of fact, them say Silver Fox. Me no name Silver Fox, but through them say I'm name Silver Fox. Me go address him. Me hear him I say how people not get information and check panny and vet panny. Didn't Vibes True they do the same thing? What you are blame me for? Him never check the information. Him never check nothing. I hear him here, I call him get, and he run go make video about who? Him friend. Somebody who he say he love. And then uno try to talk to me. Also, what me really want to talk about, you know what? Me not go talk about that in this video. Me go left it for another video. My viewers and subscriber, that is what me I try to tell you about what and who Junkertown is. A set of non-progressive elements, a set of people who don't care about you. All them care about is themselves, them pocket, and their money. That's all them care about. Nothing else them not care about. Nothing else, because if them did care about anything else, that video, those video would not make. And as you know say, Jackie don't care about nothing at all or nobody. All Jackie care about is King, is her grand. All Jackie care about is her King, her kids, her grandkids, and herself as the queen. Nobody else she no care about. She no care about nobody else. Nobody else she no care about. Not a single drop of person. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know me now, you know everything. I mean, I talk everything. Me just at swing slow, take me time and go further. Because guess what? Me not make up no story for make no video. No, me not make up no story. Me go use for them same videos and story and what them say out of their mouth. As far as when me hear the mixed breed and Vibes True just say is them now go watch with video. Well, to tell you the truth, to be honest, the first time me ever watch a mixed breed video, the first time, to be honest, I didn't even know there was a mixed breed, is when me get the video. Somebody send it to me. Me get the video. And me I say, oh, this man all I say Silver Fox, which part? Then call me Silver Fox. But me not really answer to them name, because me name Rodney. But me watch the video because me need to cut out the part where me want. So that's the only reason why me watch the video. And me won't watch another one because me not have no time for waste on non-progressive element. And to be honest with you, you see, I do a little check-ins. And I find out a few little things. And mixed breed. Let me say something to you too, see? I believe, listen me good enough, I believe, you know, the two of you work in the school system down in Florida. Yeah? In the school system down in Florida. And what me I say to the two of you is this, you see? Social media is a very good thing. Very nice thing. You can make wealth. You can make money, you can make friends, and you also can make a lot of enemies. Me know that because I make a whole heap. But you see, when you do a certain kind of work, a certain kind of job, you should think about the words that you use out of your mouth towards people. Yeah, you must think about the words that you use. Me tell myself the same thing. Yeah, me tell myself the same thing. So that's the reason why I tell you the same thing. Because you and the two of you in a work in a school district in a Florida, that's the information I got. That's the information I got. So here me I say to the two of you. Do nothing, make no money, make no life, live on a life, on a love, and enjoy on a life and a love. But there is a lot of things where uno need to put aside. Push it aside. Because the road uno go down, as dumb, as dumb as SS sound, me hear SS is something will make a lot of sense. It make a lot of sense. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm out. Watch this video and continue watch the other video them. And guys, new channel I come starting tomorrow morning. New channel I come out. Yeah man, new channel I come. Me go post pan it first and then we go see what is what. Anyway guys, remember if you like the video, share the video, comment on the video and watch the ads them, because you don't know when you watch the ads, you help the channel go forward to make some money, because all with the out to make money. And guys, another thing, mixed breed. Me hear you know talk about views. Yeah, me hear you know talk about views. And I wouldn't talk about views if I was you guys. Because when me check on the channel, if you don't talk about Alicia Kim, you really and truly don't get views. Come on, cut out that. That make you look childish. I talk about, oh, them now get no views, them now this, them now that. When they make other videos, it happened to everybody. Everybody it happened to. Look at Vibes channel. Only when Vibes talk about colors or Alicia Kim in get any kind of views. Because that's just how it goes. People love gossip. So think before you talk. When you're in high school industry, so think before you talk, man. Have some brains, have some sense. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next videos, I'm out. Bye-bye. Chat about. See you in a bit.